Welcome back to First Issues. In a previous episode, we started a very short series comprising two segments, Forex trading and FX trading, and the scams that are common around it, with senior trader at the Rand Merchant Bank, Bakang Mabisi. In the series opening segment, Bakang briefly explained that the FX market is where currencies are traded. She added that it is the only truly continuous and non-stop trading market in the world where traders and investors of many holding sizes participate. In an open environment such as that one, where basically anyone can operate, it becomes rife for scammers to take advantage. Bakang is back again tonight to talk about some of the warning signs that what may be dressed as an opportunity could actually be a scam. We're continuing our conversation on Forex trading, but today focusing on these scams, right? So maybe talk us through why a large majority of people find themselves victims of Forex scams.
As you know, that I've said that there's a retail and the wholesale market. So the retail market has really been, painted or advertised as more of a get-rich-quick scheme, one. And two, that you can always consistently make money. It doesn't matter what happens in the market. I think the first one with the get-rich-quick scheme is that you see a lot of, advertising saying you will make 50,000 bucks within the first year, 100,000 pula, consistently 2,000 pula every day. And you must be wary of that because you need to understand that foreign exchange is the buying and selling of currency based on, technical analysis as well as fundamentals or economic analysis. And those change rapidly. So, as a trader or as a person who's partaking in Forex, foreign exchange trading, you need to be aware that you cannot always be right at all times. You get in there, you will lose some money, you will make money, but your job would be to make more money than you lose. That's why as traders, they have profit is to loss ratio, which is usually if I can make 3 of this, I'm willing to lose 1 of this. So I think we need to be very, very aware at all times that we're not being sold something that is out of reach. If it is too good to be true, then it is. Yeah.
Maybe talk us through some of those scams that, people have fallen victims to. The ones that are not so common, like you were talking about the get-rich-quick schemes, but those ones that, if you don't have a keen, careful eye, you would miss.
I think you look at websites that are set up properly, platforms that are actually set up properly, and you would get into this website or platform and you see everything on there. You can trade this, you can trade X. If you put in 200 bucks, it'll give you back, 1,000 pula or whatever, and they look legit, right? You see it, and sometimes even people do get returns over the first few months, and then from there's absolutely nothing, which is how Ponzi schemes work. So you need to have a really, or look at it very, very closely, in the sense that, is it a credible source? Is it regulated? Maybe just to backtrack a bit. So you have brokers, which is like the intermediary between, the retail client and the market or the larger market. And you also have what we call trading platforms, which also still acts as the intermediary. But there, retail clients have the leeway of buying and selling foreign exchange for themselves, or buying and taking on positions for themselves. And I think one thing to be really wary of when you partake in either a trading platform or soliciting a broker is that you need to understand, is this broker regulated by a local or international body? Is this regulatory body trustworthy? Is it, can you verify it on international sites? Can you verify it in local sites? And, apart from that, apart from the trustworthiness, can you find financials on this company or trading platform that you're actually looking at? Even if it's a trading platform, can you actually find credible sources that check out with the platform? Are you not going to put your money in a hole and your money will never return? You know, and those are the things you really need to be wary of.
But Bakang, what is it about Forex trading that has made it such a fertile ground for scams and scammers?
Something that I learned when I was young. A lot of us really do want to get rich quick. Although there are, you know, proper ways of getting there, when you see it put in front of you, it looks very attractive. And, you know, with the FX market being a market where you can make huge returns, you know, obviously putting in a large sum of capital, a lot of people are now looking at it as, oh, I can actually be that person who's making, you know, lots of money, not realizing that it's not just one, you know, big trade. There are those instances, but they're far between, you know, they're few and far between. They're not an everyday thing. And they look at those people that are making money over foreign exchange and they're saying, I can actually do that. And they don't look at the broader picture, that it's not one trade. It's a series of trades. It's over, you know, knowledge that you have of trading this product or this foreign exchange product. It's reading analysis, it's reading technical analysis, it's reading fundamental and understanding how the economy works and what influences it and what news comes out, when it comes out, how it's likely to affect the currency. So it's a myriad of factors that really fall into place. Another thing that we've been seeing a lot is individuals coming to you and saying, you know what, I can trade for you. I can make you money. I'm sure that, you know, I can make you $2,000 a week, $2,000 a day. And what we need to be very wary of as the custodian of your own money is that, is this person a registered broker? Number one. Obviously, like I said, are they regulated? Because it would be very hard for you to go looking for them if at all they don't, you know, return your money. And obviously in trading, you are expected to know that you will make profits, you will make losses. But if now they are guaranteeing you sure profits, it's very risky. If an individual comes to you, you need to see the history, the background, and if really they have expertise in this field. And not only that, if you trust them to be a custodian of your money, of your funds, of your resources that you've worked so hard for, you need to know that are they registered, are they regulated by anybody?
This program was brought to you in association with First National Bank of Botswana.
FNB, how can we help you?